Tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, a game changer for anyone who needs high-quality large format printing without the hefty price tag or requiring a massive space. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-340 MFP Lm36 36-inch large format printer with scanner. This isn't just a printer. It's a comprehensive solution designed with the user in mind, especially for entry-level users in small spaces who need to print posters, CAD documents, signage, and more with vivid color reproduction. One of the standout features of the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-340 MFP is its innovative design. It boasts a new flat-body design that not only looks sleek and modern, but also provides full frontal operation, making it incredibly user-friendly. The new 4.3-inch adjustable user interface screen is intuitive and allows for easy navigation through the various printing options and settings. This design isn't just about aesthetics. It's about functionality and efficiency, ensuring that you can get your prints done quickly and with minimal hassle. Whether you're a student, a small business owner, or an artist, the ease of use and compact footprint of this printer make it an ideal addition to any workspace. Another key feature that really impressed me is the Canon Large Format Printer app. This app is more than just a utility. It's a comprehensive resource that gives users access to how-to videos, printing and photo events, firmware, and software updates. Essentially, it's your one-stop shop for all things related to your printer, ensuring that you're always up to date and able to get the most out of your device. The app is particularly useful for beginners, as it provides step-by-step guides and troubleshooting tips, making the learning curve virtually non-existent. Moreover, the ability to access a community of users and experts through the app means you're never alone if you encounter any issues or have questions about your prints. Now, let's talk about the quality of the prints, because at the end of the day, that's what really matters. The Canon imagePROGRAF TM-340 MFP delivers exceptional beauty and longevity to your prints, thanks to Canon's high-quality inks and media. One of the things that sets this printer apart is the wide range of media types it supports, including metallic, rag, glossy, and adhesive backings. This means you can experiment with different textures and finishes, adding a professional touch to your work. Whether you're printing out architectural designs, artworks, or promotional materials, the vivid color reproduction and precision of this printer ensure that your prints look stunning and last long. In conclusion, the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-340 MFP Lm36 36-inch large format printer with scanner is an outstanding piece of technology that packs a punch in terms of design, functionality, and print quality. It's perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their printing capabilities without breaking the bank or needing a large dedicated space. If you're as impressed as I am with the capabilities and value this printer offers, be sure to check it out. Find the link in the description below to learn more and to purchase your own Canon imagePROGRAF TM-340 MFP. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.